tickets, who knows. So yes, make sure you guys watch the movie with love, because I've seen the movie and I have so much goosebumps because it's actually very, very, very entertaining.
Yeah, meet and greet. Come.